So, tips to love math. Yeah. So I already told you guys, we need to know how to love math. Not in a weird way. I mean, not the other way. I mean, loving math. It's like loving how to solve, to know formulas, to learn new formulas, and many kinds of formula. Yeah, I think we're talking about formula. But no, we're not talking about formula. So we're talking about loving math. Well, at first grade, I love math. Well, because it's adding, mostly adding and subtracting. So, and then later on, many years comes 5 or 6. It's hard to know the formula, how to solve this and that. Well, I still love math right now. Like literally right now, even though I'm getting stressed of it, or even though it's not easy for me anymore, but I still love math. So tips to love math. Well, first you need to know that you need to know the term math. So what is math? Well, you must learn it by yourself, or research it, or discover it. No, not discover it, or someone already discovered it, but you need to know math. And then second, well, you need to know the formulas. Every math problem or topics has formulas, and it will make you a solution to find the answer. So number 3, well, maths give you stress, so you need to love it. Yeah, I actually get stressed a lot of times because of math, because there's a lot of solution and problems to solve. That's why if I get stressed, I might, forget about it or give up on it. So that's why you need to love math if you are still stressed or tired of it, but you still need to love math. So the fourth is, don't love others, love math. No, just kidding. I mean, yeah, you still need to love others like your parents, but loving math is different. It's like knowing the numbers, because without math in our lives, we don't know how to count, to add, subtract, divide, and also count our fingers, like 1, 3, 2. I mean, I know math. Okay, so yes, like what I said, without math in our lives, we might not be able to count or solve or know how many people are here. Excuse me. Know how many people are here in this earth or world. I mean, earth or world. I mean, here in earth. So, loving math is like loving a girl, right? No? Yeah. No. It depends, but it's like loving a girl. For me, it's not love for girls. It's like loving for fun. Well, math is fun after all, but stress at the same time, but fun at the same time. We need to love math in order to, know how to solve, know the formulas, know how to count. Excuse me. Yes, math is everywhere. Like, how do they measure this table? So sorry for shaking it. Or how do they measure this wall, or this curtain, or how do they measure this length of jacket, and how do they measure this length of earphone? Also, how they measure that screen. Yes, I'm pointing at the screen, not you guys. And that's why we need to know math. Math is everywhere. Shapes, size, measurements, everywhere. So if I were you, you need to love math.